So we've been meaning to do a walk around. Finally, this trailer is pretty much complete. There's always more to do, but I wanted to show you guys. It's been a little while since I posted. We've done a lot. I haven't kept up on some of the extra things we've installed and stuff, so I'm just going to go over it now. So we finished up the whole front end, put a new receiver, everything, a nice basket on the front. Basically, we took a rear car carrier one and cut it down to 4 feet to fit perfectly. We'll be able to store firewood on there. Eventually, we're going to mount the propane tank and battery probably somewhere up here out of the way so you could still store stuff on the front and not get in the way. Installed fenders. These are aluminum diamond plate. They're really light, super strong though. You can stand right on them and get to the top. Put a window in. This is pretty cool because it's actually an emergency window. I'll show you that. It flips completely open so you could actually, easier to store stuff in there too. Put a vent on the side for ventilation in the back. We put the gas struts on the back to make it easier. Let me see if I can shut this. Shuts perfect. That's it right there. I wish I could get a better view, but let's see. So here's the back end. Just from the side. So we also put some extra rain guard here to keep this thing completely waterproof, so that either pulling it down the road, no water tries to get in, or if it's obviously really rainy out, nothing can get in. Put a ventilation up top. That opens up. So let me open this inside here. So here's the inside. There's a vent up top. This is pretty cool. You just screw it open. See it open there. There's a nice screen there. Keep the bugs out. And that is pretty much it. Well, I could open this for you. Crawl inside here. This thing's pretty cool. You just undo these latches and the whole thing swings out. Very nice feature. That's pretty much it. The build, as far as I'm concerned, is pretty much done. Like I said, we're gonna probably just keep adding more to it over time once we go camping with it and stuff and see what are the things we'd like to add. I know I'll probably end up adding a ladder on the driver's side here behind the fender, just to be able to climb up top, put a roof rack on it, and we'll show you those builds as well, so keep looking forward.